Hey guys, so I am going to be cleaning the bathrooms today. So I have Trinity's bathroom. Let me close the door. They're installing the alarm system right now, so sorry. But yeah, I'm in Trinity's bathroom right now. Then I'm gonna head over to the master and then I'll go to the bathroom downstairs. So 2.5 baths total is what I'm going to be tackling today. As always, all of the products will be listed down below. I'm actually currently waiting on the Granite to seal because I just went ahead and sealed the Granite. So yeah, I did do a video of me sealing the backsplash as well as the Granite in the kitchen. I'm not sure which video is going to come out first, but yeah, this is Trinity's bathroom and it is bigger than what she had, and her toilet just sits around that corner. It should not take me long to knock these bathrooms out because nobody has really been like using them per se, but yeah, I need to go ahead and get the floors all cleaned up and everything like that. So I wanted to cut on the camera and give you guys some cleaning motivation. I'm not sure where that came from, probably because guys, I am so delirious. Like, I've been in this ball cap now for weeks, but I want to get the bathrooms clean before our stuff starts to arrive, which will be very soon. And I want to be able to stay in the house once our stuff arrives. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock the bathroom out, well, the bathrooms out. So of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I hope that I was in the frame that whole time because I just be moving around, you know. This camera is so much heavier to hold than my smaller camera. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, then hey girl, hey, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can come and join the squad and get your whole life, because we like to have fun over here. Positive vibes all day, y'all. What am I doing? Yay! So let's just get started, guys. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, I am going to be starting off in Trinity's bathroom. As I said, no one had been using the bathrooms at all. No one has been in the house or anything. The cleaners did come the day before we actually closed, but once we closed, we just got back on the highway and headed to Tennessee. So the house just has been sitting. So I wanted to make sure that everything was nice and fresh, especially in the bathrooms, before we spent our first night in the house. I will be sure again to list all of the products down below. I do want to talk about this bath and kitchen foaming cleaner from CLR. Guys, I started using this in the old house when I was doing the move out clean, and I have been hooked. It's so good. It is a fresh scent, so it's not as strong as the original formula, so I do really enjoy it.
Sorrows, maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me.
I did want to mention that I am using different rags throughout this entire process. I always like to mention that, especially when I am cleaning the bathrooms, because for some reason I have had people think that I was using the same exact rag throughout the entire process, and girl, absolutely not. I just wanted to go ahead and clarify that just because they are the same color does not mean that it's the same exact rag. Now, moving on from that PSA, I did want to mention that I am using the Swiffer, and guys, I have been enjoying it so much. I find that it is very convenient for small spaces, but I totally get where you guys say that it can get expensive, especially for larger areas, because I did ask you guys about it in my last video. Also, a lot of you guys had mentioned that it was leaving like a sticky residue on your floors. I have not had that issue. I do notice that if it's not 100% dry, it can seem a little tacky, but I find that to be the same case when I was using my mop water solution as well. So for small spaces, I love it a lot. It's super convenient.
You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave.
Alright guys, so this is where the struggle bus begins. So the towel does go up high in the shower, in the master bathroom. You guys will see that in another clip. So I had this bright idea to get this long handled scrub brush. Oh my gosh, it'll make this so much easier, and I could not have been more incorrect. Guys, I was wore out using this stupid scrub brush on this long handle. Guys, I will never use this again. I did get it from Target. I think that it could be like a good idea, but I did not like it personally. I just like my scrub pad that I normally use, and just to keep it pushing. Since I was on the struggle bus, I have found a much easier way to master cleaning the master shower. Yeah, I did want to mention that because guys, looking back at this video, it looked like I got this all under control, but in real life, I was like, girl, bye. Yeah, I was out of breath and exhausted. I was like, this cannot be real life. So this scrub pad here is what I have been using. I have since kicked that long handle scrub brush to the curb. So I'll continue to let you guys enjoy the struggle bus session of this video.
Nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. You make me feel I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh.
Alright guys, so I am now downstairs in the half bath. I'm just going to basically be repeating the same exact steps except with the floor, because you guys can see it is hardwood down here. So I am going to be using my Bruce hardwood and laminate floor cleaner to clean the floors down here. Other than that, again, everything will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for coming back and joining me for another video. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, then hello, welcome. My name is Nina, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. And if you are a returning squad member, as always, make sure that you have clicked that notification bell and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.
Now on me, that's for sure.